Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm feeling a little saucy. Cranberry saucy. I can't. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Feeling a little saucy today. How about you? Feeling a little saucy? How about some cranberry saucy? And I'm going to teach you how to make it. Alright guys, this one's super easy. So just a bag of cranberries, a half a cup of honey, also a half a cup of water, and then orange juice or orange zest. I use orange juice, and then I add cinnamon for taste. Alright guys, so I'm just adding my half cup of water here to my pot. I'm going to turn it on to medium heat. I'm going to grab my cranberries, pour those guys in there, mix them around a little bit. I also add a half cup of honey. You can use white sugar, you could use maple syrup. I'm a big honey guy. This is local honey here. I buy right down the street from a little stand. I do like to use a lot of honey. And the next thing we could add is some orange zest, or if you don't have any oranges, you can add orange juice, which I will be adding today. About a 1/4 cup of orange juice. I will add that at the end once these kind of break down and get soft. So I'm just going to let this sit on here for about 10 minutes and start a little simmer. Just going to give it a stir. They're starting to pop, which is great. Once we turn this heat down, after they soften up, this will start to thicken up a bit, and I will add some cinnamon and the orange juice and just let it sit for a little bit and put it in the fridge. All right, as you can see, it is starting to thicken up. I'm going to let it go a little bit longer and then turn the heat down and let it just really simmer. That's when it really gets thick, and I will add the orange juice and then just stir and let cool. All right, I'm going to go ahead and add my orange juice. I turn this on low. It's just going to simmer now. I'm also going to add in a dash or two of cinnamon. And then just let this simmer and cool down. It will be all ready to eat, and I am excited. This may not look like a whole lot of cranberry sauce, but with all the COVID restrictions this year, it's just going to be Court and myself for Thanksgiving. We normally have a fairly large Thanksgiving dinner feast with everybody, but we'd rather have everyone be safe, so it will just be him and myself this year. Here it is. It looks so tasty and smells amazing. I did add some fresh rosemary there from the garden, and I cannot wait to try it. All right, so I just finished it, and it's still warm, and I myself cannot wait to try it. So this is just some vanilla yogurt with some cinnamon and some cranberries, and that looks so good. Can't wait to try it. All right, this is a yogurt with cranberry sauce, and man, it tastes perfect. Perfect for breakfast, guys. All right, guys, happy Thanksgiving to everyone. I wish you and your family an awesome Thanksgiving. It'll be just me and Court celebrating here, but we will be FaceTiming all of our family to say hi and wish them well. We have a lot to be thankful for: each other, our friends, our family, our critters here on the farm. So once again, happy Thanksgiving to all of you. Have a good one.